In this lesson, I will show you how to orient view. You can orient your view from few different locations. Let's say I want to see from front view. In that case, I have to go to this heads up toolbar. From here, if I go to this drop down menu of this view orientation, here you will see there are few different standard views showing: front, right, left, top, bottom and back. And all different view has its own shortcut. Let's say if I want to select this front view, I can select it from here. This is showing me the front view. But if I go here again, let's say I want to see from right side. Next to the right side, inside the bracket, it is showing Ctrl plus 4. So if I press Ctrl and 4, you see this is orienting to the right side. If I press Ctrl 1, this is front. This is one way to orient your view. There are few other different options available which I will discuss by using another tool. Let's say I want to see from isometric. I have to go to here, then I have to select it from this drop down menu. This is isometric. But exact same all of this option you will find if you press space bar in your keyboard. Now this orientation toolbar will open, and inside this all of the option you are seeing here, this is exactly same option here. So this is gone. I have to bring it back again. So I will press space again in my keyboard and make sure this pin is checked. Otherwise, if you select anywhere inside the graphic window, this will disappear. Now if I want to orient to top, bottom, left, right, any different standard view I can orient to. Then at the right hand side from this drop down menu, you will see isometric, dimetric and trimetric. You can also choose from here. If I select isometric, this is isometric, then I can choose dimetric, also trimetric. If you want to split your window into two parts, in that case you can use this. Let's say if I select it, it will split this graphic window into two parts. So I will select it. These two are same part, but let's say I want to see from front when I will change this part. So that time this is helpful. If I want to see from vertically, if I select it, this will split this graphic window vertically. If you want to split into four parts, if I select it, you can see top, front, left and trimetric. This is first angle. If you want to show your model in third angle, you have to change it from these options. Display selection, you have to go to bottom. Here you will find this is first angle. If I change this to third angle, now I will select this again, one window, then I will go to four window again. Now you can see front, right, top, trimetric. So now this is third angle. Most of the designer they use third angle, so that's why I showed you how to change from first angle to third angle, because inside the SolidWorks first angle is always default. I will go to one window again. This time at the top right corner you can see there is one option called view selector. This is quite powerful. If I select it, now you can see this model from any angle. You just have to specify any side. You can select any side from here. Let's say I want to see from this side. I just hover over here, and here you can see this is the preview it is showing. You can see from any side the preview. Let's say I want to see from this side, so I will select it, and this is that view. I will go back again. This time let's say I want to see from top, so that I can select it, but this time I don't want to select from top, I want to select from back. I want to select this back angle. How do I select that? Because if I try to select it, it will select this top surface. In that case, you have to press and hold Alt key in your keyboard. Now you can select the back side. So let's say if I select this back angle, I can see from the back side.